Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for the AP Intermediate Betterment Exam. Start by creating an account on the official portal and verify your email. Next, upload your ID, academic transcripts, and passport photo in the required formats. Pay attention to fee payment options and keep your payment receipt. Finally, review every section carefully and submit before the deadline to avoid delays or rejection. Begin file preparation with consistent naming like ID photo, transcript 1, and signature scan. Use 300 DPI scans and crop to standard aspect ratios to avoid resizing errors. Check file sizes and compress only if quality remains clear. Upload documents in the exact order requested and confirm each upload completes successfully. If an upload fails, try a different browser or device, choose a reliable payment option, such as debit card or official bank transfer, and note the transaction reference immediately. Verify the fee amount and any waiver eligibility before completing payment to prevent disputes. After payment, download and save the confirmation PDF and keep screenshots as backup. Monitor your email for application status updates and follow up promptly if you do not receive confirmation within the expected timeframe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.